Good morning everybody, we're here with Floor Crafters. We've just finished up this American cherry floor. You can see it's a mixed width, 3 1/4, 4 inch and 5 inch. We sanded this pre-finished floor down to raw wood. We then stained it with nutmeg and then finished it with Bona Waterbase products. It truly has come out absolutely beautiful. And this is what it's all about, using Floor Crafters. We're a 5-star company. We give you 5-star service from day one right to the end. The floor is beautifully flat. Have a look at that. Finish coverage is great. Truly proud of these guys. Job well done.